Your mission today, should you choose to accept it, is to build a birthday campaign for your customers in the home services industry. The objective, boost customer loyalty and increase sales by offering a special discount on their next home service. By completing this mission, you'll not only make your customers feel valued, but you'll also encourage repeat business and possibly a referral. A win-win situation for any operative, business owner. Send an email to your customers 24 hours before their birthday. This email will contain a special offer as a gift, a 20% discount on their next home cleaning service. Let's start. First things first, enter the GoHighLevel dashboard and navigate to the Automation tab. From there, click on Workflows, and then hit Create Workflow. We're starting this mission from scratch. Every successful mission needs a trigger, and in this case, it's the birthday reminder. Click Add Trigger, select Birthday Reminder, and apply a filter to trigger before number of days. Set it to 1 day before the birthday and hit Save. Assign your workflow a code name. Now, let's add the first action. Select Send Email and provide the necessary email information, including the sender's name, email, and subject. Remember, you can create email templates in the Templates section as shown in the video footage on the left. Find a birthday template under the Templates tab inside Emails. Pretty cool. But for today, we'll craft the email directly from the Workflow Builder. Let's create the birthday email together. In the video description, you'll find a link to copy the email copy into the workflow. Add custom values modifying the client name to the contact first name variable by clicking the Custom Value button. This email will send a birthday greeting to our client, inviting them to reply with gift to receive their coupon. Format the email and hit Save. Next up, add a wait action. Select Wait for customer reply. Ensure it waits for a reply after the email we just set up and set a timeout of 24 hours. Now, let's add an if/else action. This checks if the reply contains the word gift. Create a branch name and replied with gift. Choose the replied message option. Use the contains filter and type the word gift inside. Under the replied with gift branch, let's add another action, send email. Provide the necessary email information. In the video description, you'll find a link to copy the email copy for delivering the coupon code. Paste it in. Modify client name for a custom value, first name, and hit Save. As a bonus, let's explore the available actions after sending the email. There are plenty of options like connecting to Google Sheets, webhooks, SMS, voicemail, and more. Today, we'll select Send Internal Notification to alert all users within the firm. Navigate to the Google Doc in the description to get the SMS copy and paste it. Use the custom value selector to add the client's full name and phone number in the SMS that the staff will receive. Finally, go to the settings and check Allow Re-entry so the campaign can work for future client birthdays. Then publish and save the workflow. Mission accomplished. Brace yourself for increased repeat business and, who knows, perhaps some rewarding referrals. If this mission briefing served you well, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Now, on to your next mission. Dive into the description, get our promotional GHL link, and embark on a 14-day trial with GoHighLevel. Plus, upon your first paid month, you'll gain access to our coveted Code Red special training.